Lego bricks are beloved worldwide. These small interlocking pieces have captured the hearts and minds of people across generations and cultures. Children and adults alike enjoy their creative potential. From simple structures to complex models, the possibilities are endless. This enduring appeal stems from the Lego system of play, a concept that encourages imagination and innovation. At its heart is the Lego brick, a simple yet ingenious design that has remained largely unchanged for decades. It is renowned for its precision and durability, ensuring that each piece fits perfectly with another. The Lego manufacturing process is a marvel of engineering, combining advanced technology with meticulous craftsmanship. It ensures that every brick meets exacting standards, maintaining the brand's reputation for quality. This precision is key to the Lego building experience, allowing for seamless construction and endless creativity. Bricks from different sets, even years apart, fit together perfectly, showcasing the timeless nature of Lego. This essay explores the secrets behind Lego bricks, revealing the intricate processes that make them so special. We will delve into the manufacturing process, from raw materials to the final product. We will see how precision and quality are maintained at every step, ensuring that each brick is perfect. Join us as we uncover the magic behind these iconic toys and understand why they continue to inspire creativity. The journey begins with raw materials and ends with a product that sparks imagination, bringing joy to millions. Each stage is crucial in creating the Lego experience, from design to production to quality control. Understanding this process reveals the dedication behind every brick and the commitment to excellence that defines Lego. Lego bricks begin their life as granules of acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, or ABS plastic. This material is chosen for its durability, color fastness, and safety. Lego sources high-quality ABS that meets stringent safety standards. The ABS granules arrive at Lego factories in large quantities. They are stored in silos, ready for the molding process. These granules hold the potential for countless Lego creations. Their transformation into bricks is a testament to precision engineering. The choice of ABS plastic is crucial to the quality of Lego bricks. Its properties ensure that the bricks can withstand years of play. They resist fading, scratching, and even the occasional bite. The heart of Lego manufacturing is the molding process. This is where the magic happens. Granules of ABS plastic are heated to a specific temperature. The molten plastic is then injected into highly precise molds. These molds are engineered to tolerances of less than 0.002 of a millimeter. This ensures that every brick is identical. The molds are cooled rapidly, solidifying the plastic into the familiar brick shape. Temperature control is critical throughout this process. Consistent temperatures guarantee uniform brick dimensions. Even a slight variation can affect the clutch power of the bricks. Quality control. Ensuring Lego perfection. Once molded, the bricks undergo rigorous quality checks. Each brick is carefully scrutinized to ensure it meets the exact specifications set by Lego. This process is crucial in maintaining the brand's reputation for excellence. Automated systems inspect each brick for any imperfections. These high-tech machines are designed to detect even the smallest flaws, ensuring that only the best bricks make it through. These checks ensure that every brick meets Lego's high standards. The precision of these inspections is what guarantees the consistency and quality that Lego is known for. Bricks that pass inspection are then sorted by color and type. This meticulous sorting process helps in the efficient assembly of Lego sets, making it easier for builders to find the pieces they need. They are packaged and shipped to Lego fans worldwide. Each package is carefully assembled to ensure that it contains all the necessary pieces and instructions for building. The entire process, from granule to finished brick, is a testament to precision engineering. Every step is designed to maintain the highest level of quality and efficiency. This meticulous approach to quality control is what sets Lego apart. It ensures that every brick is perfect and ready for countless hours of play. It's the reason why Lego bricks are known for their durability and longevity. These bricks can withstand years of use and still function as if they were brand new. It is also why a 20-year-old brick will still connect perfectly with a brand new one. This compatibility across generations is a hallmark of Lego's commitment to quality. Conclusion. The legacy of precision. The precision engineering behind Lego bricks is not just about technical perfection. It's a meticulous process that ensures every brick fits perfectly with another, no matter when or where it was made. It's about the play experience, The joy of building something from scratch. The satisfaction of seeing your imagination come to life. It's about ensuring that children and adults can build without limits. The possibilities are endless, and the only boundary is your creativity. The consistent quality of Lego bricks fosters creativity and imagination. Each piece is a building block for dreams, a tool for storytelling. It allows builders to focus on their creations, not on whether the bricks will fit. This reliability is what makes Lego a trusted name in households around the world. This legacy of precision is what has made Lego a global icon. It's a symbol of quality, creativity, and endless fun. The next time you connect two Lego bricks, take a moment to appreciate the engineering behind that satisfying click. It's a small marvel of design and precision. It's a testament to the power of precision and the enduring appeal of a timeless toy. Lego is more than just a toy. It's a legacy of innovation and imagination. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.